Hello everybody, welcome to another edition of The Watch Collector. My name's Ollie. Today is a little bit of a different one. Some of you may know I have a Czapek Antarctique Passage de Drake in Salmon. Now, I got this watch last summer, so recording this, that's summer 2023. I was extremely excited to receive it, not only because I love the watch, but also because as part of the presentation and the delivery, all new owners of these watches were supposed to be provided not only with the stainless steel bracelet, as you can see on my watch, but also a rubber strap with a separate deploying clasp. Now, some of you may know that Czapek have had some issues in relation to this, and it's always, let's be honest, quite frustrating when things like that happen. I totally get it. I think we can all safely say that if you're into watches, every now and then you love changing your strap. Not only does it give a completely different look, it changes the style completely. Potentially makes it more comfortable, potentially makes it better for better weather, for better activities, wouldn't name it, changes it from dress to sports to swimming. Anyway, it's finally arrived 9 months or so after I got the watch. I haven't sized it. I need to do that. It's quite a lengthy process. But the reason why I haven't is because I thought that I could show you how it comes in its sort of purest form. So as you can see, I haven't used this at all. The deploying clasp is a double format. It still even has the plastic on it. I have attached these ends to the rubber just for ease of use in this video. It's very, very simple. You simply use your watchmaker screw head in order to be able to fasten them onto the rubber. It's got very nice fitting, very nice feel to the clasp. On the underside, you can see, that's probably a better one, you can see it's engraved with Czapek. It's got plenty of modifications. It's extremely long. The strap is, as it comes, is extremely long. I'm not sure anyone is going to have a wrist that is going to require all that rubber, but you never know. So as I mentioned, I'm going to have to size that to myself. But what I wanted to show you is how quick it is to change this strap, particularly once you've got the deploying clasp fastened. So what Czapek have done is they have implemented a fast strap changing system. So what you need to do is, I should add, I used this implement in order to attach the deploying clasp to the strap. I take this one, and you get these tools with the watch, so everything comes with it. You don't need to buy anything extra. And so you have one screw on each side of the head, and one turn, and you've released it. It's that quick. We do the same thing on this one turn, you can feel it move, pops out. It's extremely secure. Once it's on, you have absolutely no idea that it can come off that quickly. I've never had any issue with it in almost a year of wearing this watch, and I've worn it a lot. So you don't need to worry about that. So certainly in my experience, you don't need to worry about that. Then to put the rubber strap on, it's exactly the same process, but in reverse. So if we take the head, I know some of you will say I should be using a clamp. I should be using a clamp, but I think it's still going to come out pretty well. So you can see exactly how easy this is. You can see where the screw is there. Take our tool, one turn, that's locked. That is secure. That's not coming off. And we do exactly the same. In fact, let's do it that way. Exactly the same. Get our tool in. One turn, locked on. And there you have it. A totally different look to this watch. I love it. I think it's it's playful and what changes it from an everyday watch to a great summer, great sports watch, and certainly something that you're not going to see anywhere else. Of course, this is a limited edition, one of only 99 pieces, so it's unlikely you're going to see another Salmon Passage de Drake anyway, but especially with the rubber. Let's put it on the wrist and see how it wears. As mentioned, I need to size it, but that's how it will look. I think it's really fun, really different. Overall, I think it's a great feature that Czapek have done, whether it was this or with the ice blue. As I understand it, I think with all of their Antarctiques, you get this option. It's fun. It gives us watch collectors what we really like, which is that degree of variety and ability to chop and change. Yes, it's a shame that it took this long to receive it, but we're there now. I'm really pleased about it. Would love to know what you think in the comments. Are you a fan of the rubber? Are you a fan of the colour? What you think of the Antarctique in general? It'd be great to know your thoughts. That's enough for now. I hope you found this useful. We'll see you next time.